Welcome back everyone to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphic settings on the Deep Rock Galactic game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Deep Rock Galactic game on your device and you will directly be taken into the tutorials. Now, while you are playing the tutorial, if you wish to optimize your graphic settings, press the escape button to pause the game. Now, from here you can go into options and then go into graphics. Then within the graphics menu, make sure to choose the correct resolution and the screen mode for your device. If you notice any screen tears within your game, you will need to turn on VSync, otherwise leave it as it is. Now, if you have a lower end device or lower hardware, then you should not use DirectX 12. Now, you can use the max FPS and set it to your desired level or to match the display rate of your device. Now, within the overall quality slider, you can try using the various presets, ranging from low all the way to ultra. You can try using the ultra preset if your hardware supports it, and then apply your changes. Then you can go back into your game, and if you notice any issues, then you can come back to this page and go into high. Follow the same pattern to switch into various different graphic presets until you find the optimal balance of performance and quality within your gameplay. You can also try using your own customized preset by manually changing the various different parameters through hidden trial. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize the graphic settings on the Deep Rock Galactic game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.